Good day everyone, you are welcome to this YouTube channel, a platform where I'm going to teach you on how to use Archicad perfectly at the comfort of your zone. Please ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel without wasting most of your time. First, I'm going to click on my wall. I've already clicked on the wall and I want to select the kind of wall I want to use, the color of the wall I want to use, which is white. I've already selected it and the ground plan have already started. I've drawn my ground plan right now. You can see how I've started drawing my ground plan after picking my wall, selecting the color of the wall I want to use now. Pay proper attention and watch this video to the end. Don't just skip this video because you are going to learn a lot from this video. From this video, I have not clicked on anything apart from the wall and the color of the wall I changed. So ensure you pay proper attention as we are proceeding. So I use 3 box by 3 box, which is 9 box as my room. So I want to draw this other side to put it there in order to complete what? Okay, to complete one room. Okay. So this, first of all, how a ground plan is being drawn. First of all, it may look rough, it might be rough, but once I started trimming it, you will now see the shape. Please don't just scoop. Watch this video to the end as you enjoy your video. Alright, I've started trimming already by using control. When you press the control down, it will show you a scissors, of which we use for trimming. The ground plan have becoming noticed gradually. And that is my veranda. I'm bringing out now. You can see it. That is the veranda. I'm bringing it out now. If you know you are confused in this video, please make sure at the comment section drop your message and I will reply you. Do not hesitate. It's a place where you learn. It's an Archicad. I will teach you. This is just the part 1 of it, and I will teach you maybe by tomorrow or my next video. I'm going to bring out the part 2 where we proceed from where we stop today. Now the plan have showed 2 rooms, kitchen, dining, 2 veranda, which is the sit out. Now I want to fix my door. I want to put my door. That is the door of 1.2 at the center. And merely after that, I will come back to pick the smallest one, which is a door of 900, which is 3 feet. I've picked the smallest one to bring it out to indicate the door position. Those are my toilet doors. That is the toilet door. That is the master bedroom. So the position of the door has finished. Let me come back to window now. Now let me mark out the window space. That is my favorite window. You can see the way I'm picking the window and I'm marking the window out. let me go and pick my slab. I use my slab as a DPC. Is it DPC they call it, or plinth beam, which is my DPC work. I want to use my slab. The top will be at the middle will be white, while the top will be a different color, which is the leather tech. That is the type of the color I want to use at the top. So in this ordinary ground plan, the color is not going to show and nothing is going to show until I will put it in 3D. Then you will see what I'm doing, and you will try and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. I've started trimming the veranda. That is the veranda. I've already trimmed the sit-out already. That is this other side of the entrance is the sit-out. So I click on my object to select the interior material, which is the bed, the Gucci chair, and the bed, the Gucci chair, and which other one again, the dining chairs and the kitchen cabinet. I select those things from the object. And you click on the object, type table or type kitchen. You see all those things will come out. Immediately those things come out, you select and place them on where you want to place them at the drawing section of the ground plan. Those are the kitchen cabinets, and I've already selected the kitchen cabinet. So those are the kitchen cabinets. I'm doing it gradually for you to understand. Now, so let me put it in 3D. This is the 3D work. Those are the dining things I have been putting in order to bring it, in order to make a plan. This is the outcome of it. You can see how I'm reciting it. That is the sitting room. That is the 2-bedroom. That place is sitting room. That is the dining. That is the dining. That place I put my pointer is the dining. The other side close to it is the kitchen. That is the veranda. This is the veranda. I'm rotating and turning it for you to see it properly. Okay. These two windows close by each other. They are my toilet. And this other side is my sit out. That is my sit out. Please ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. So this is where we are going to start from. Please ensure you engage or subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit up your notification button in case I upload a new